Let's code a game of Bachet, or however it is supposed to be pronounced, in just 1 minute. Start. First, I generate random initial number of sticks, I start infinite game loop, I print current state of the game. I'll need 2 of these lines, so I copy-paste it. I prompt the user for the input. If the input is not correct, start all over again, otherwise take the corresponding number of sticks from the pile. If the pile is empty, then the user wins. Copy this part of code, determine the turn of the computer, print the turn of the computer, insert the logic from before, but in this case you lose because the computer wins, because the computer made the last turn. That's it, that is the whole game of Bachet, or however it is supposed to be pronounced. Coded in just 43.31 seconds. I've made a mistake. I did not code it perfect, but it is just the fastest I've ever did it, so I'm a bit surprised at this point. Should I make another attempt, or will this be good enough? It's too nervous. Anyway, let's test. I think this is going to be good enough. But as I test, the chances are you don't even know what this game is, so let me explain as I play it. You start with some number of sticks, which in my version is a random number between 20 and 30, and each turn you take 1, 2 or 3 sticks, so let's for example take 3 sticks. And in return computer takes 3 sticks, let's continue. 1, I take 1 stick, computer takes 3 sticks, and so 2 players alternate turns. Let's continue to do this. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, until one of the players, in this case it's me, is left with just 0 sticks and cannot make a move. And this player loses. And the player who took the last stick, which in this case was the computer, wins. In this version, the computer plays the perfect strategy, so once it takes the winning position, it is guaranteed to win. We found that the lose condition works well. Let's play it once again, but this time I'm going to play perfect as well. What are you, 30? I need to take 2 sticks. I need to take 3 sticks, I need to take 1 stick, I need to take 2 sticks, I need to take 3 sticks, I need to take 1 stick, I need to take 1 stick, I need to take 3 sticks. That's it, I took the last 3 sticks, and in this case I won. Which means both winning and losing condition works. Great! And just to be sure, let's test it one last time. 27, I need to take 3. I need to take 2, I need to take 3, I need to take 1, I need to take 3, I need to take 3, and my final turn I'm taking 2, and I win! Great! That's it for this video. Like it if you liked it, write me in the comments what else should I code in under 1 minute. By the way, I actually read and reply to comments. Subscribe for more videos like this, and check out this video in which I've made another simple game in just 37 seconds. Bye!